Review of a no soliciting sign bought off of Amazon. The kit was about $9 and included 3 metal signs, a screwdriver, extra tape, and screws. Included are both a horizontal and vertical no soliciting sign. The first thing you want to do is determine where you want to place the sign on the side of your doorbell. The kit is designed to go over your doorbell button, so that's where I placed mine. Before attaching, you want to use some rubbing alcohol wipes to clean the side for better adhesion. Lastly, firmly press the sign onto the doorbell.